Good evening, traders. Good evening, Philippines. Today is Thursday, February 25th. And as usual, before I begin, here's the usual disclaimer. So, any comments made during this live stream should not be considered or should not be considered as an order to enter a trade, nor should it be considered as trading advice. This live stream is strictly for educational purposes only to illustrate how I trade the legacy strategy that I teach my students. Any past performance of the legacy strategy is not indicative of future results. I must also emphasize that I'm neither a licensed nor professional trading advisor. I am a licensed, I am a retail trader, like everyone else is here who is trading. So, anyways, I'm looking at this again. Let me bring out this thing. Let's look at which I like more of the and there would have been a setup right there, which I didn't take. I'm busy with this. Just want to see what's going to continue going up. Anyways, here's the more of the what do we call it, the macro view. So basically, we're headed down. We hit the VWAP there. We're headed down now. So now we've reached the deviation levels here. It's basically 2.5, close to 3. I'd say 2 3/4, minus 2 3/4. But you can see now it's trying to get headed up back to the VWAP here. So gonna see what's gonna happen here. It looks like based on the MACDs here, it's trying to make its way up to at least to this -1 deviation. So we'll see if we can take a trade there. Okay, that's what I'm trying to do. Again, I'm going to be scalping now. During the overnight session, I've done a lot more trades. I'm already pretty much well up. I'm pretty much reached my goal. Let me see here. Let me show you. Where am I? Here we are. Okay, so here we are. This is what I've done the overnight session. I just didn't really right here. So I started off at right here, right? Um, Earlier, right? That's where I started. I made 6 points, I believe. Target two. Yeah, I made 6 points. From here to here, I made 6 points, right? So now, from this point on, it was 37.25. I've now made an additional 11, is it? So from here, 37.25 to 56.25. So that's an additional, what, 9 points, right? No, more than that, 19, it looks like. So 3, 6, 9, 11, 13, 16, 19 points. I've already made 19 points for today. I'm well over my daily goal. Um, so again, this system that I teach is more of advanced. It's more of scalping, and basically my win rate is around 100% right now. And that's what I'm saying. If you can do the scalping, your win rate is going to be up as well. You just have to know where to enter to minimize your loss or try not to get a loss. Um, so let's see if there's going to be a setup here. It looks like there's some conflicting signals going on here, so I don't know where. I want to see where this is going right now. You can see my RSI is going down, however, my MACD is going up. So there's your conflicting. I want to get those in alignment before I do anything here. But it looks like it's gonna probably break this. I just want to make sure because it may have a possibility of heading down. That's what it looks. It might the way that RSI is going down. So we'll see. I don't want to jump the gun yet. I want to make sure that Well, with price action, it looks like it's going to try to get back up here. So that's what I'm trying to figure out. What? Okay, I see the RSI flipping now. So let me wait for this. In fact, this is going to be like almost like a counter trend trade, as you can see. There. So let me see here. We're looking at 1250. Maybe that's where I want to get. Okay, so I'm trying to time this trade here.
Order filled.
There we go. I have an 8 tick stop. I might have to pull it down to where the swing low is. Let's see, just to give it some room to breathe. Yeah, it looks like I might have to bring this up here for a bit. Again, this is going against all rules, but like I said, this is based on some other factors I'm looking at. The probability here would be lower than it is if you're taking a sell, but I'm basing this, as you can see, the RSI is going down, so this might be not really favored to my thing, so we'll see. I'm basically basing this on more price action than on the indicator, so that's what it is. And what I'm doing is basically, we hit this, we hit the mid band, went back down. That's basically where it is, and then it's testing it. So if I'm looking at the VWAPs here. Again, I showed you we hit the -2 deviation, created another low, the day's low today, and every time you hit the day low there, it's going to try to get back to at least the other deviation level, which I'm seeing right now. So again, I am scalping this, right? I'm scalping this for 6 ticks. So we'll see. You may test this down here, which we'll see. I think that's what it's going to try to do. And if it does go down, then and that's what I'm saying. So there's the real danger, because this is basically a setup for maybe a V3 in terms of my students, right? Which will probably hit this fill line. The fill line is basically the yellow line there, and then come back up. So that's why I'm giving it some room to breathe. My students, that's a setup right there, a V3. And if I took that trade here as a sell, I would have hit my 6 ticks. So that's what I'm saying. Again, this is based on price action. We have a higher low. Maybe I can easily bring this one up here. So here, 50. since I'm going really against the trend here, I'll just go for 6 ticks. I'm not going to go up more than that, just to be more conservative. Okay, so I'll go for the 6 ticks since I'm going against the grain here. If I was going with the trend, or with the momentum or the downtrend here, I would have gotten for more. But right now, since I'm going against the trend, I'm basically scalping for 6 ticks. So that's it. There we are. So got my 6 ticks there. So I'm done for this session for the pre-market. We'll wait for what's going to happen in. So I got there. Let me see. I got 6 points out of that. Another 6 points. So we add to my total right now. So on top of the 19, we are now at 25 points. Well, this is based from yesterday. That's the only way I can get an accurate reading here. So basically, this is what it is. Where am I here? So, yeah. So based on this, we're up another 25 points altogether. I'm all over $1,000 for the day, and that's usually my goal. I don't want to be that greedy, but if the market, I only get what the market's going to give me, and if I can get 6 ticks every time, and I've been winning every trade, that's what I'm saying about the strategy that I teach. Basically, more scalping, you get more of a higher win rate. So with that said, I will talk to you later, the opening, and I'll see you then. That's going to be, what time is it right now? 7:30, or 3 hours from now. Okay. So enjoy the remaining, and I'm going to be watching some victory worship. So that's on right now. So I will talk to you guys later. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.